Topic 8. Formulas and Functions in Microsoft Excel. To copy formulas using the fill handle, firstly, enter the formula into a cell, then drag the right bottom corner of the cell to whichever cells you want to copy the formula to. And then the formula will be automatically copied into those cells. Absolute addressing versus relative addressing. When it comes to relative addressing, if you want to copy a formula from one cell to other cells, when you drag the cells down, the formulas will be adjusted so that it will correspond to the reference cells. For example, if the formula is A2 plus B2, when you copy the formula down from D3 to D8, the formula will change following the row number. However, when it comes to absolute addressing, when copying a cell formula, instead of automatically changing the formula to point to a different cell, the new copies still point to the same cell. As you can see in the screenshot, cell E10 is kept constant and the formula does not change when you drag it from H2 to H8. To create an absolute reference, the $sign is used. There are many ways to use its absolute referencing.
We use if function to perform a logical test. From the screenshot, we can see the value if true argument is entered into the if function. Following our comma separator, we add in the value of true argument of the if function followed by another comma separator. In this case, if the value in A3 is not greater than the value in B3, we want the function to place a B is larger in D1. Some if functions combine the if function and sum function in Excel. This combination allows you to add up those values in a selected range of data that meets specific criteria. The if portion determines what data meets the specific criteria, and the sum part does the addition. Here is an example for the range, criteria, and sum range. The first step when we use the sum if function in Excel is to enter the data as shown as the screenshot, and then we enter the data into cells B1 to E11. The sum if function and the search criteria greater than 250 orders will be added to the row 12 below the data. Sum if is normally used to look for the specific criteria in one cell or field in the record, and if it finds a match, it adds the data or data in another specific field in the same record.